And that's what you're getting into. Like, what is the difference between a federal and state court? And what looks different and what feels different about the two of them?
It couldn't be any more different. I mean, my first few times in federal court, I mean, I was extremely intimidated. I mean, you walk into these federal buildings and, and there's 40-foot ceilings and, they're like a mausoleum, and you see people who look like they could work at McDonald's or anywhere that just look like any guy walking down the street, and then they pull up their shirt and they're a federal agent,
Right.
And they do that on purpose, they're kind of scruffy and dressed down and to blend into the community. So it's just a whole different vibe, I mean, the judge sits way higher. I mean, it is meant to be more intimidating and much more serious. Again, you're looking at judges with lifetime federal appointments, and you're looking at I hate to say this, I don't want to offend any state prosecutors, but you're typically looking at a higher caliber prosecutor in the federal prosecutor's office.
They play to win.
Yes. And I mean, and that's why their conviction rate is so high. And one reason for that is, in the sentencing guidelines, you do get a reduction for accepting responsibility and pleading guilty. But another reason is, as Andrew was talking about, with these investigations spanning potentially 2 years, they take their time and then they get all their ducks in a row. And when that indictment drops,
right,
a lot of times they've got you boxed in pretty good.